I found a nice little pear here. I'm going to show you a pear bird very quickly, very simple to do. First, decide what's going to be the top and the bottom. You want to give a nice angle to the pear with a quick cut like this. Okay, after you do that cut, reserve that piece. We're going to use the piece to make the head. I'm going to do a tail like this, and I'm going to leave the stem on there. I kind of like the stem, so this is going to be part of the tail. Okay, I'm going to do two more cuts. One's going to be straight down like this, and one's going to be straight in like this. Okay, can you see it? Repeat on the other side. Same deal. Okay, there you go. You can see a bird, can't you? Okay, we're just going to repeat this, cutting all the way down until we have a nice feather-like pattern. Takes a little time to do this. You have to be patient, and you need sharp knives. So that's why we're here showing you this today. Pretty cool. Zoom in a little here. Okay, and then you just keep repeating like this. You can do as many as you want to. I like to do a demonstration like this very quickly, move on to other things. Alright, there you go. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit more to the wing. Okay. This pear is a little bit ripe. You want to select one that's kind of firm. It's going to be a little easier for you. Alright, wing goes back on. Okay, you can see the bird forming there. Now for the head, you can do it a variety of ways. I usually like to take it and do kind of a beak like so. Like this. Here we go. This is my bird head. Just a small beak right here. And I'll be adding a peppercorn on each side for the eyes. Okay, a small hole right here. Wow, these Kyocera ceramic knives are really, really nice. I'm going to make the neck just a little bit thinner right here. Okay, attach the head right like this, and there you have it. A pear swan or pear bird. Okay, adding a couple of black peppercorns for the eyes. Just pop them right in there. Okay, and there's the swan, or pear bird, whatever you wish to call it. You can spend a little more time, do a little more detail, but you can see I did this one very quickly. And the pear bird. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a wonderful day.